Alright, the first thing you will need to do is to set up the repository, and to do that you'll enter in sudo add apt repository ppa team-xbmc/ppa, and then enter your sudo credentials if you are prompted. Then press enter to have the key added. Then you'll need to run the update command, so sudo apt-get update. And once the updates have completed, then you'll run sudo apt-get install Kodi -y, and this will install Kodi as well as all of its dependencies. Then you can go to the launcher and you should be able to run Kodi.